welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia if you've never been here before, but if you have, hi girl, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you back. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to make a heart-shaped box. I have been seeing these boxes everywhere on the internet, but I never know where they buy them, so I decided to make my own. All you will need for this project is a type of display board. I got this one at Dollar Tree, but you can also find it at Target, Walmart, Office Max, Staples. Any one of those school supply stores will sell these things. A box cutter. You'll also need a heart stencil. I printed mine out, but you can also just draw one yourself. You will need a hot glue gun and some measuring tape, preferably one that's kind of bendy and twisty like this. And that's really all you will need. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here I have the stencil, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that out first. So I have my stencil here. I'm just gonna go ahead and trace that first. Alrighty, so I don't even know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna go ahead and just trace it with a pen. If you guys also have a steady hand, you can also just draw it out, or you can draw a half heart on a piece of paper and just, you know, trace this side, flip it over, and trace this side so it's symmetrical. Go ahead and do that. So now I traced my heart. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my measuring tape and I'm just gonna measure around the half of one heart. So 0, and I'm just gonna try my best to get the measurement. 21.5 inches around this side, so I assume it's gonna be the same around this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop at 21.5, and we'll bring that up later, okay? So I'm gonna take a box cutter and then just cut it all out. I don't want to scratch up the glass table that I'm working on, so I'm just gonna take this old Amazon package that I have, and I'm just gonna place it underneath like that. Let's go ahead and cut this out. Alright, so now that I've kind of traced it out, I'm just gonna try to press it. Alright, so this little heart that we just cut off is going to be our base of our box. And then, remember we measured our circumference of our thing. Mine was 21 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and use one of these flaps, and I'm gonna measure out 21 inches. Here, 21.5 inches. I'm gonna go to 22 just so I can have some wiggle room just in case. And then this is going to be on the walls of our box. So I'm just gonna cut this one in half because I don't want my box to be that tall. But if you want it taller, you can always use the other flap and make it as tall as you want. But for me, I'm just gonna use half of this one right here. Half of this, let's see. Precise queens here. Okay, so I got my two papers right here. Are they totally even? No, but that's okay. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get your base of your heart and the box that you just cut out. You're just gonna line it like this around your heart. So you kind of have to do one of these where you're just kind of like bending your cardboard. So just go around and bend your cardboard a little bit. Do that to both sides. This is just gonna make it more manageable so that you can fold the lining of your heart. That's actually pretty tall. I didn't want it that tall, but okay. So now I'm just gonna try to line it up here. You can either put it on top of the heart like this, on top, or outside. I think if you put it on top, it'll be more durable, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna make sure it fits first. So I left a little bit of wiggle room here. You see the wiggle room area? Well, the wiggle room area that I left, and I don't actually need that part. I just wanted it just in case. I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue gun that. So I changed my mind and I'm actually gonna glue it on the outside of the heart. So I'm gonna add some hot glue around here. A generous amount because I don't want this falling down. So I'm gonna continue to put glue along here and just kind of roll it into it. Continue to press. So what I keep doing is I keep the base down and the sides closer to me just to make sure I have a sturdy box. Now I'm also gonna glue the tail of it. So let's go ahead and do that. So here's what the box looks like. It looks pretty nice. And it is pretty sturdy, but I'm still gonna go around with my hot glue gun and line the edges just to make sure that everything is nice and sealed. Here's what the box looks like so far. It's super duper. Someone commented I always say super duper, but it's so cute, you guys. It's so cute. I love it. It's like a picture perfect heart as best as I can get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this set for a little bit and then I'll show you guys how I decorate it. Alright guys, so now we're back in our regular filming corner. Let's go ahead and decorate this box together. It's actually pretty sturdy, which I am super happy about. So if you wanted to, you have the option of painting this box. I personally am not gonna do that today just because I don't have the time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some tissue paper and just kind of wrap it in tissue paper. So I kind of want the red tissue paper, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that one. So I'm getting the red tissue paper that I got from the Dollar Tree once again, and I'm just gonna wrap it almost. Bottom here, we're just gonna do like little dots of hot glue and just press it on there. And I'm gonna do that the whole way around. So this is what mine kind of looks like right now. I know the inside looks a little messy and a little sloppy, but I didn't mind that because I'm gonna fill it up. For my box, I wanted to add this Campo Viejo wine bottle. This is personally mine and my fiance's favorite. So, ooh, perfect, look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab more tissue paper and just stuff it all in here. If I had more red tissue paper, I would use only red tissue paper, but I don't. So I'm gonna use pink tissue paper because that's what I have. And also, I don't have it, but if you have it, you know the little like shreddy like red paper, you can also stick that in there. So like I said, I don't have any more red tissue paper, but I'm gonna use this pink one. I'm just gonna kind of stuff it like this. It doesn't have to be neat. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna add my wine bottle. I didn't expect this to be as deep as it is, but it is. So I'm gonna just go ahead and lay it there. It can actually fit in fully, but I don't really want to do that. I kind of want it to be sitting out like this. So then on this side, I bought some velvet little roses from the Dollar Tree. They have a bunch of different colors, pink, red, white, everything you guys want. So I'm gonna go ahead and layer these here, hot glue gun them as well. Just stick them on here. There, so I want this side to be the side with the flowers. Doesn't this look so nice already, guys? And any little places where I see gaps like here, I'm just gonna add a flower right on top of it. I don't really mind if it's layered. Make sure when you're done to go in and just take out all the little hot glue gun strings because you obviously don't want those there. Now the next step, you can add whatever favorite candy you want. I know the Ferrero Rocher chocolates would look really nice on here, but I personally want to use these little lollies that I have from Seuss Candy. These are one of my favorites. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert those just anywhere. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and leave mine like this because I don't know what else to add for the demonstration purpose. And I know I sound like a broken record in all of my Valentine's videos so far, but you can really add whatever you want in here, whatever your man likes, whatever your girlfriend likes, you can just add that in here. Alrighty guys, and that's gonna be it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you liked this heart box idea. Let me know if you try it out. I'll be glad to repost you guys. And without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.